Hello everyone, today I'll show you our sample room. Here are our samples. Cover sack. Let's check the Kawasaki plunger pump assembly. User manual. Here is the menu user manual. This is the brand name TONKEE 3V112 DT injection pump assembly. There are also some hydraulic oil and water pumps here. I'm filled. Solenoid valve sensor. This has the part number. There are some more. Injector assembly. It's for Volvo. Siemens. Oil seal. There's also a main Taylor Park here. Brand name. This spot is interesting. It's ours.